In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to items on monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect on screen, and a few best practices to keep your files organized and easy for your team to find. Start by opening monday.com and signing into your workspace. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one for the project you're working on. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose the board where your work lives. A board is essentially a table made up of rows called items. Click the board's name to open it. Next, locate the specific item you want to attach a file to. Items are the individual rows. Think tasks, deliverables, or tickets. Click the item to open its details panel. This view is where conversations, activity, and files for that item are kept together, so everything stays contextual. Inside the item, select the Files tab. You'll see a dedicated area for documents, images, and other attachments related to that item. This keeps files tied to the work rather than scattered across chats or emails. Click Add File. You'll get a prompt to choose a file from your computer. Select the file you want to upload. This could be a PDF, image, spreadsheet, or presentation. If you prefer, many setups also allow you to use cloud storage connections. Check your account permissions if you don't see those options. A quick tip, use clear, descriptive file names so teammates know exactly what they're opening, and avoid special characters that some systems don't love. After selecting the file, click Open to confirm. You'll see an upload indicator. Wait a few seconds while the file is added. Upload time depends on your internet speed and the file size, so larger files might take a little longer. Try not to navigate away until the progress finishes to avoid interruptions. When the upload completes, your file will appear in the Files tab. From here, you can preview compatible file types, download them, or remove them if you attach the wrong one. If you need to provide context, like what changed in a document, consider adding a quick note in the Items Updates tab and tagging teammates so they know why the file was added and what to review. If you're updating an existing document, keep version names consistent so the latest file is obvious. That's it. You've attached a file directly to the item, keeping work and documentation in one place for your team. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher while you're working.